Ayurvedic therapies, Ayurvedic doctors are aligned with this program, and myself is very fortunate to have joined with this wonderful platform of Ayush Kavach. And today I am going to talk about the importance of Panchakarma therapy. Panchakarma is the natural way of detoxification of the body and mind, and to help you to restore disease-free society and disease-free condition. For that, what you need to do, there is a specialized program is offered to you, all of you, and this is the qualified Ayurvedic doctors will be able to provide for you this Panchakarma therapies. What is Panchakarma therapy? Panchakarma, Pancha means 5 types of therapies. Karma means actions. So 5 types of actions are explained in Ayurveda. For that, a systematic way of evaluation of the individual, and based on that evaluation and Prakriti, Vikriti means imbalances and balances, what is happening, what is your constitution, what is your strength, everything we look into, the Ayurvedic doctors will look into that. On the basis of that, we will provide a very comprehensive, detailed information will be provided. It is done in 3 steps, not like a simple Shirodhara, Abhyanga, massages, not like that. It is a very comprehensive therapy. In this therapy, it can be very beneficial for the people in the reversing of aging process. It also helps for the detoxify the body, and we are all exposed to the various herbicides and pesticides in the society, and chemicals, a lot of chemicals and pollution and all the different aspects which can be taken away from the gentle in a natural detoxification therapy called Panchakarma therapy. This is a very unique program which is offered through the Ayurvedic system of medicine, which is generally we do in a pre-Panchakarma, that is called Purva Karma, and then main Panchakarma is called Pradhana Karma, and post Panchakarma we do called Paschat Karma, followed with some special rejuvenation therapies called Rasayana therapies which we provide. It's a very wonderful, experiential and heart welcoming and very good program, and everybody can enjoy this wonderful program through Panchakarma therapies. Panchakarma, the pre-Panchakarma therapies, what we do, Snehana Svedana, means there are 2 therapies which are generally they do. Of course, before that we have to enhance the digestion, metabolism and everything. Along with that, we make sure that the patient is eligible for the proper Panchakarma therapies, a specialized way of giving of herbalized oils and ghees, detoxify the body and cleanse the body by natural adapting of various oleation therapies. Basically, how this Panchakarma will helpful for you, if you look into that, everybody needs this Panchakarma therapies to open the channels of circulation, to detoxify the body, and by simply merely taking of medications or supplements is not sufficient. The body is filled with a lot of toxins, endotoxins. These toxins can build up and creating of various chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, multiple sclerosis and Alzheimer's disease, various conditions, depressions, anxiety and insomnia and bipolar diseases, various diseases, psychological, physical and emotional, various levels the diseases can manifest. To take out these diseases from the root cause of the problems, the way to detoxification through the Panchakarma therapies is a very laborious process, but one can undergo this process of Panchakarma therapies and one can feel that there is no need to take any medicines as well as any herbal supplements for maintenance of lifelong treatments. It's a wonderful way of thinking about that. I myself undergo this type of Panchakarma therapies, and in India it's really powerful and it's a wonderful way of detoxifying the system. In that, in the main Panchakarma therapies, it's called Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Nashya Karma. These various therapies are performed. So detoxifying the body in various levels, from the gut, means gastrointestinal system, from the colon, from the chest area, as well as from the nasal passages, the brain. And these are the detoxification takes place very systematic way with the qualified Ayurvedic doctors can do it. After doing of Panchakarma therapies, one has to observe at least half the days. For example, if they go for Panchakarma for 10 days, at least minimum 5 days, they have to take rest, relax the body to enhance, rejuvenate to normalcy of the body to bring it. For that, the special therapies are provided, do's and don'ts are explained, everything systematically is done in a planned way. One has to go through the process. Definitely you will be really enjoying this wonderful Panchakarma therapies. If you look into the benefits of the Panchakarma therapies, aging process. Now the aging is a very common factor. Everybody is early death. In the ancient time, we used to live 100 years. Now the lifespan of the individual has reduced to 70s, 80s, like that. So because of chronic pollutions, dietary factors, emotions, stress factors, these are all the factors will influence on the individual health and wellness. So our motivation is that to educate you in the right direction, to take you into the right path, to improve your overall health and wellness, and to increase the longevity of life. And second benefit is that detoxification of the body. Detoxification means the cells in the body is started to reactivate, regenerate, and to start working with a very, very full potential. You feel that the greatness, health and wellness you feel in that physiology. In addition to that, you also rejuvenating, reversing of your aging process. These are the so many benefits which we can see through the Ayurvedic detoxification therapies called Panchakarma therapies. And also now, as we mentioned that the early therapies such as toxins are built up in the body, deep-seated toxins. These are the cause for the various types of cancers. So this cancer is one of the very dreadful disease condition. So one has to go through the various chemotherapies and radiation therapies and all these things. To prevent those aspects, one has to go through the Ayurvedic protocols, Ayurvedic programs. It will be really beneficial for that. As I have seen more than 28,000 patients around the globe and traveling around the globe and teaching in European countries and Latin America and Australian countries, various countries, I was teaching these programs and educating the people. My goal to educate the people is very, very important for all of you to understand the concepts of Ayurveda, our ancient Ayurvedic knowledge. Now West is looking for abroad is looking for the various Ayurvedic aspects, how to bring them these things, etc. This is the thing we have to learn, these things, principles which are easily available in India, and Ayurvedic qualified doctors are available. You have to take a right direction, right path to live long life, to prevent from the various worries about this viruses, bacteria and chronic conditions like that. Anything can be healed. Like a lot of people suffering with cardiovascular problems, heart blocks, and sometimes knee problems and joint pains and heart attack problems and skin problems, asthmatic problems and whatnot. So many diseases are connected to these things with the chronicity of the diseases. Now people are suffering with more and more people are suffering with chronic conditions, chronic diseases, not with acute conditions, because we have wonderful antibiotics and those things are available. Those antibiotics are really helps a lot for the people who are having in the crisis condition and where the medication is required, their medications will be given. The modern science, modern medicine has developed such a way that it can help you in the level of these things, but in all conditions it may not be able to help. Ayurveda can answer for certain things where there is a modern medicine not able to answer for these things. We will be happy to support you and help you, and with the natural abundance of heritage, Indian knowledge is there, and make sure that you remember these things. It's very important. Ayush Kavach is one of the wonderful app is available. You download it in your computer and in your cell phone, then you are able to access your health and wellness. This is the very good way to protect yourself, protect your health and wellness. Not only your health, it is also protecting your family and your nation. Thank you very much joining with us, and Dr. Shekhar Anambotla from USA. Namaste.